Hello guys, welcome again in LinuxTopic. Hope you are safe and healthy. So in our previous topic, we learned about the regular expression like we regress and replace some value using the set command. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to use a regular expression in replace module and replace all the existing and all the personal data from the files. So let's get started. Let me print the OS release. Red Hat release is a file, and here I'm using a CentOS 7. Now Ansible dash dash version. So I'm using 2.9.21. It's the latest version now. Then the directory is etc Ansible. So I will go to the directory etc Ansible, and here I'm just configured the host. So you can learn more about the host. You can see my previous topic in linuxtopic.com. Now I'm just create a one file like YAML file. File name, whatever you want. So here I'm creating the mask.yml. The first I'm starting dash dash dash, then I will define the host, and so this host is available in host file. Then the second I will define the task. So this is a tag. Now the first task will be a copy of file from actual location to the any temporary location, because we will not mask data on original file. So the first task I will define a copy using a copy file. So I will use a copy module. Look like I'm using a copy, then use a source because the file is placed in log directory and the name is event.log. Same I copy in the temp directory, like use a destination and then event.log. Here I'm use a remote src, means I'm just executing this task on remote. For a quick, I just update it. Now the second task, I'm using a replace module. I provide the path like etc temp, and here I'm use a regular expression for dash dash. For this regular expression, you can learn more how to use it, and I'm just pasted the link in the description. So I replace and then I use just remove. So here I use a loop, like I have multiple fields, account number, address, operation, customer, and then customer ID. Then I will just save it. First I'm just cat the file var log and event.log. So here we have multiple fields, personal data like card number, account number, and address, phone number, and etc etc. So now the time to execute this playbook using the Ansible playbook command and playbook name. So it's gathering fact and the play like 10 0 to 15. The first task like copy file in temp directory, so it's copied. Change means it's copied, and then second task is masking the data. So it's masking now, and our task has been completed. So we can check the file like temp and event.log. So here card number removed, account number removed, phone number removed, card holder name removed, address removed. So thanks for the watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.